Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a whimsical unicorn with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the unicorn horn and ear. Now onto the top of the unicorn mane. And here is the unicorn eye and happy smile. Here are the front legs and the feet, and the belly and the back legs and feet. Now to add a cute little heart and her tail. That's the outline done. Now to paint the horn and the mane. I am choosing a yellow color. I will color her ear and some of her tail. And her feet with a pale pink color. I will paint the front of her mane near her crown. And the cute heart and cheek with a bright pink color. And here I have a blue color. The blue color on my unicorn. Do you? I am coloring the rest of her tail in the purple color. I am adding some little white dots on the front of her mane, her cheek, and her tail. I am using my black marker again to finish off my drawing. And that's it. I'm all finished. Do you like it? Make sure to subscribe for more videos. And get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.